Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are baking Japanese soft bun today. We will also fill cheese in some of buns. So what we need to make them: unbleached bread flour 4 cups. Make a paste of 1 cup of water with 1/3 cup of bread flour. Cook them on very low flame for 3 minutes to get a thick paste. We will add it in the dough to make our buns more softer, inshallah. We also need mixture of warm milk 100 ml and 300 ml water to make the dough. Unsalted melted butter 2 tablespoons, dry yeast 2 teaspoons, salt 1 teaspoon and sugar 4 tablespoons. So let's start mixing the dough with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In flour add yeast, sugar and salt. Mix them for 30 seconds. Then we will complete the process of making dough in stand mixer, inshallah. Add flour in mixing bowl with hook attachment. Then add warm milk in it gradually. After adding half of milk, now add paste and melted butter. Mix them on low speed for 30 seconds. Then add remaining milk. Knead it for 1 minute on medium speed. When dough is ready, cover it with plastic wrap and keep it in warm place for an hour for proofing. A beautiful dough is ready after an hour. Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is time to make cream cheese filling for our buns. To make this yummy filling, we need whole milk 200 ml, vanilla essence 2 teaspoons, sugar 4 tablespoons, and soft cream cheese 160 grams. Mix everything with a whisk and cook them for 40 minutes on medium-low flame to get a creamy texture of filling, inshallah. When it is ready, keep it in a bowl to make it cool down for filling. It will take 30 minutes to cool down, inshallah. Preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then make 4 portions of half of the dough. Make balls of it by using dry flour and place them in a pan which is brushed with a little bit butter. Cover them with kitchen towel and keep at room temperature for 20 minutes for proofing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will fill some buns with this delicious cream cheese filling. Take a piece of dough and roll it with the rolling pin to make a round shape of 7 to 8 inches. Then place 2 tablespoons of filling in center and 4 edges. Seal it properly and place in the pan for baking. After 20 minutes of proofing, both buns with and without cheese are ready to bake. Now egg wash them with lightly beaten egg and bake them for 45 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. During the baking of buns, take them out of the oven after 30 minutes and egg wash them again to get a beautiful color on the top. Then bake them again for 15 minutes. So total baking time is 45 minutes. Enjoy delicious buns with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. So delicious buns are ready. Enjoy them with a cup of tea or coffee and share recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.